Hi everyone, this is Sarah from the Youth Services Department at Washington Centerville Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own salt crystals at home. This is a project that does take a little bit of patience. You're not going to see results right away. This is one of the finished ones I did, and it's about a day old. So this is what it's going to look like after 24 hours. Let me go ahead and walk you through the steps. The first thing that you're going to want to use is a thin piece of cardboard. So what I have here was cut up from an old notebook pad. You could also use something that came in packaging material if you got something through the mail or like a cereal box, but you don't want to use anything too thick or it's going to have a harder time. You can draw any shape that you want. The finished one I have here was actually a star. Kind of hard to tell now with all the crystals all over it. But this one I did a tree. So I drew one tree, cut it out, and then traced it and did another one. And this is so you can make it stand. So once you have two, cut one from the top, down the middle, a little more than like halfway down. And then you want to take the other one and cut it down the middle from the bottom about halfway up. And then we want it to be able to stand on its own. So we just put it together like that. All right. And then the next part's optional. This will help make your crystals colorful if you want to paint it using some food coloring. So I'll just quickly put a few dabs on here just so you can see. And you can put the food coloring all over. I won't make you sit and watch me color this, but you can put food coloring on your edges all over if you want. And then you can set that aside. So the ingredients you want to make this, you're going to need some salt, some bluing, some water, food coloring is optional, and then ammonia. Ammonia is optional too, it does have a pretty strong smell, but it is going to speed the process up. So if you don't use ammonia, it'll still work, it's just going to take it a bit longer. So for your mixture, you want a tablespoon of table salt, a tablespoon of water, and a tablespoon of bluing. You can find this in the laundry section at the grocery store. And then you want half a tablespoon of ammonia if you choose to use it. And then you just mix it up. The salt is not going to completely dissolve in your mixture, that's okay. So the ammonia is going to speed up the process of evaporation, which is what needs to happen before the crystals can start growing. And then you're going to take your tree or whatever shape you chose to make, and you want to just sit it right in there. It's good to put it in a place that's not going to get bumped because we don't want it to fall over. You'll probably start to see a result within an hour or two if you use ammonia. You'll see tiny little crystals start forming. Again, you'll see this end result after a day or more, and it will keep growing. You can always add in a little more salt and water if you want it to keep going. But if you get up close here, you can see that all our liquid has evaporated. So first the liquid goes into the cardboard, and then the bluing helps the salt create these blooms on here. But so there's nothing left at the bottom anymore, no more liquid. All right, so I know it's not a very quick result, but if you have a little patience, this is a really cool one that you can watch over several days. If you have any questions, you can comment below and I'll be happy to answer them.